Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you add funds to your Steam wallet. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Steam application and log into your account. So first, once you're logged in and you're on your home page here, so what you're going to do here now is on your top right here, you have your profile. So under your name, so click on it and then go to your profile, view profile. So once you get to view profile here, all right, all right. Oh, okay. Actually, just go to account details, not view profiles. Sorry about that. So click on account details. So once you get to your account details here, under account details, you'll see an option called add funds to your Steam wallet. So click on it. So click on it and then choose the amount of the funds that you want to add. For example, let me choose this one here. So I'll just click on it. All right, so once you select the amount and you will get to this payment page here. So here you can choose the type of payment do you want, what payment you want to pay. You can use your credit cards or your or your banking or Skrill. So this varies depending on your location. So you can choose whatever that best suits you. For example, you can use for example, if I use MasterCard. So what I have to do now is just fill in my card details and my billing information. All right, so once I've filled that, click on continue, and then once you hit on continue, then you will get to the screen where you're going to just review your purchase. And once everything is right, we have completed the review, so you can just hit on purchase and that's it. Your order will be completed and funds will be added to your account. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.